Hello everyone. I hope you are well. I am Amin from Aminovids channel. Today, I'm going to talk about the cool Joystick plugin, and create this beautiful animation by giving it a joystick controller. First, I will do this for a texture, and then I will teach how to change the textures and how to move them. Also, if you like my videos, share them with your friends on LinkedIn. Let's get started. I will enter the background of the basketball court that I have placed for you. This is also a number of different ball textures that we are going to use. To start the texture, I import the volleyball ball and take a compose from it. I will add the CC sphere effect to it. As you can see, this two-dimensional texture took the form of a spherical ball. Now I can rotate and move the ball in different directions from the control effects section. In order for the ball material to become two-dimensional, I changed the ambient and diffuser values from the shading section. I can also reduce the size of the ball from the radius part. For the shadow of the ball, the drop shadow effect can be given, and it can be added from the layer style section. Now we come to the main part, which is working with the Joystick plugin. I increase the magnification of the timeline so that we can see the timeline frame by frame. The values that are supposed to be in the animation, I will fix them at frame 0. Now, I will move the timeline one frame forward and enter the new values, and this time I will move the ball to the right side, and determine the appropriate rotation direction. I come forward one more frame, and this time I move the ball to the left. Origin can also be used to copy keyframes. On frame 4, this time I move the ball upwards. And in frame 5, I bring the ball down. Now I select all the keyframes and click on the Joystick Tools button. As you can see, wherever I shake this control, the ball moves in the same direction, and with a proportional rotation. If I want to make a change in the parameters, I just need to click on this icon, and the values will come out of dependency mode. After making the changes, I click on this icon again so that the values become dependent. As you can see, the values changed. In order to change the textures of the ball, it is enough to enter the other textures into the texture-related command. As you can see, the texture of the balls will be changed in order. I create another switch to change the textures at the same time. And I enter all the textures into it, and arrange them in this way. I enter the composition of textures again, and make a keyframe for one of the textures in position 5 and create a joystick for it. Now, if I shake it, nothing happens. Be sure to pay attention to the name of the selected joystick, and click on the dependency icon. Now, by changing the joystick, the textures change. It is enough to print the pickup position of the textures to the movement position of the balls. As you can see, it was done. Let's see how it was made. Thank you for being with me until the end of this video. Thank yourself for watching a new tutorial today. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and introduce my channel to your friends on YouTube and LinkedIn. Have a nice day.
لایک و سابسکرایب یادتون نره. مرسی.